4 best free screen recording softwares. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm sharing the 4 best free screen recording software options that don't add watermarks to your recordings. Let's dive in. First up is OBS Studio, which I'm using right now. It's a powerful open source tool that's highly customizable. It supports high quality recording and live streaming with no watermarks, so download it from obsproject.com and set up your recording preferences. Next is ShareX. This free open source software offers a range of features, including screen recording, screenshots, and GIF creation. It's lightweight and easy to use with no watermarks. Get it from getsharex.com. Third, we have Flashback Express. It's a user-friendly option that lets you record your screen without watermarks. It also provides basic editing tools for refining your recordings, so download it from flashbackrecorder.com. Lastly, Cam Studio is a simple, open-source screen recorder that captures video and audio with no watermarks. It's a good option for straightforward recording needs. Download it from camstudio.org. And there you have it, 4 great free screen recording tools that won't add watermarks to your videos. For more tips and tutorials, check the description, and thanks for watching.